Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and of course we'll talk about the iPhones and iPads that have a security update for another zero-day flaw, a critical flaw already exploited in the wild. So this is a zero-day that is used to hack iPhones, and basically this is the 17th zero day this year for Apple products, which is quite interesting. It kind of demonstrates how a lot of people are working on trying to hack into Apple devices more and more. Shows you that you're not safe because you got an Apple device. So the Apple is aware of reports that it's actively exploited. And it is, of course, exploited in versions of iOS before iOS 16.6. So the zero day is a weakness that was discovered, and it is apparently the XNU or GNU kernel that enables local attackers to escalate the privileges, meaning that you can actually become an admin of iPhones and iPads and do what you want, execute code, take control, and all the bad stuff that happens. So basically, the devices that are impacted is iPhone XS and later, or iPhone XS and later, and iPad Pro 12.9-inch, second generation and later, iPad Pro 10.5-inch, iPad Pro 11-inch, first generation and later, iPad Air, third generation and later, iPad sixth generation and later, and iPad Mini, fifth generation and later. So fix this 17th zero-day exploited in the wild attack possibility to make sure that you are safe on your iPhones and iPads. It's extremely important to take care of that to stay safe. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.